Ever wondered how a smartwatch tracks your health? From heart rate to sleep, this tiny device monitors your body like a personal doctor. Let's dive in. It starts with sensors. Smartwatches have compact devices, like optical sensors for heart rate and accelerometers, collecting data from your wrist daily. The optical heart rate sensor uses green LEDs. It shines light on your skin, measuring blood flow changes with each heartbeat to record your pulse. When your heart beats, blood vessels expand and contract. The sensor detects this, calculating your heart rate, like 70 beats per minute during a morning walk. An accelerometer tracks your movement. This tiny chip senses motion in 3 dimensions, counting steps, detecting running, or noting if you've been sitting too long. Using accelerometer data and smart algorithms, the watch determines if you're walking, running, or climbing stairs. Logging 10. 0 steps daily to keep you active. Some watches include a gyroscope. This sensor detects wrist rotation, improving accuracy. Identifying activities like swimming or yoga in detail. Beyond movement, watches track sleep. The accelerometer monitors wrist motion, determining if you're in light, deep, or REM sleep throughout the night. When you move less, the watch knows you're in deep sleep. It charts your sleep, showing 7 hours total, including 2 hours of deep sleep for recovery. An SpO2 sensor measures blood oxygen levels. Using red and infrared LEDs, it detects oxygen saturation, spotting issues like sleep apnea at night. If oxygen drops below 95%, the watch alerts you. This could signal breathing problems, helping you catch issues early before they worsen. An Electrocardiogram ECG sensor does even more. It measures electrical signals from your heart, detecting irregular rhythms like atrial fibrillation in 20 seconds. To take an ECG, you touch the watch's crown. Electrodes on the watch and band form a circuit, recording heart electrical activity with high accuracy. Stress tracking uses heart rate variability, HRV, by analyzing tiny gaps between heartbeats. The watch gauges stress, helping you manage pressure. Low HRV indicates stress. Like during a work deadline, the watch might suggest a 5-minute breathing exercise to calm your nervous system. Temperature sensors are new. They track wrist temperature changes overnight, detecting early illness signs like fever before you feel symptoms. If your temperature rises 0.5°, the watch alerts you. Early warnings help you rest, potentially preventing a serious illness from developing. Watches also track calories burned, combining heart rate, movement, and data like weight. It estimates, say, 300 calories from a run. Algorithms are key. These complex formulas process sensor data, turning raw numbers into insights like running 5 kilometers or sleeping well. Data syncs to your phone via Bluetooth. The watch sends heart rate, sleep, and activity info to an app, showing trends over days or weeks. Cloud-based AI takes over from there. It analyzes data, spotting trends, like a rising heart rate, potentially warning of health risks early. Privacy is a major concern. Health data, if hacked, could be misused. Manufacturers encrypt data, but risks remain. Battery life is another limit. Sensors drain power fast. A day of tracking might leave 10% battery by evening, requiring a recharge. Durability is a challenge too. Sweat and water can damage sensors over time. Manufacturers use IP68 water resistance, but wear persists. In the future, watches might measure blood glucose non-invasively, researchers are developing optical sensors to track glucose, aiding diabetics. AI will enhance predictions. In 10 years, watches could forecast heart attacks days in advance using sophisticated health data analysis. Sustainability is the next step. Companies are exploring eco-friendly materials and solar charging to reduce electronic waste. Smartwatches can even save lives. Many cases show devices catching heart issues, like atrial fibrillation early. Highlighting their medical potential, smartwatches are a modern tech marvel. They track health, keep you active, and might save your life. All from your wrist. Which health tech excites you most? Share in the comments. And let's explore more science mysteries in the next video.